Yes, Mabuhay, Pilipinas. It's a rainy day after all the heat waves that we had during the summer. And we have the cool air. Hopefully our streets are good and it will not be flooded in areas that used to be flooded. This is Francis Guzman, your anchor, Good News Pilipinas, DZRJ 8:10 a.m. We're live in 82 provinces nationwide, and we can be heard through our global outreach. You can see us through Ustream, www.ustream.tv/channel/DZRJ 8:10 a.m. On Facebook, we are at www.facebook.com/DZRJ 8:10 a.m. In Twitter, www.twitter.com/DZRJ 8:10 a.m. And you can call us up at numbers 895-4460, 897-8374. And if you have cellulars with you, which I believe you have, 0917-581-6500, 0919-991-8047. And we've got good news, and for our nation, we have a very special guest here from London, but later I will introduce him in a few minutes. I'll just share with you some good news on the education sector, because the classes are about to start on Tuesday, and the others have already begun. So, okay, I'm reading from Philippine Star on the education section, which is edited by Mr. Mon Lim, our good friend.